He let it grow for a reason, guys. Hello friends, good morning. Good morning friends. Oh my god, the sun is attacking me right now. Anyway guys, good morning guys, good morning. Oh, you know what happened guys? I really thought yesterday the phone was finally okay when Tommy fixed it. I guess it's fixed for like, you know what time it is, like the daytime, you know, because it's been broken since yesterday morning, and then Tommy finally fixed it. And then I have that work. I've been using it the whole afternoon, and then last night when I came up here to finally do my editing, like a check, and then I locked the phone again because I wanna watch a video from YouTube, my YouTube friends. Finally I can't play. The phone is back to dead, nothing, never come back after that. The phone never came back, and yeah, so it never came back. So I said, I guess you have to call the mother there, the mother of my phone, which is Apple. Hi guys, Tommy left me here in the car, no heater on because it's so cold. It's 18 degree out here, but look what happened to my Mac. That how cold it is, freezing, and I'm just wearing sweater and I don't have coat, so I am freezing my butt off in the car. I don't know why that means. It's freezing inside the car. Oh my god. And yeah, the phone, I don't know what to do with the phone guys, honestly. I don't know what Tommy's plan about it. He's trying to fix it by his own, but the Apple logo, it doesn't even show up anymore, and probably it died already. Die. So yeah, I hope I have phone before Sunday, because Sunday guys, I'm going to my friend's place in the city and celebrate her birthday, but we don't know. Let me try to do the heat. Tommy is working today and it's already late for him, but we have to run one run to the Sprint Sprint store location. If they can try to fix my cell phone, we bring the phone and with a wire in it. Hi guys, time check. It is 12:51. Tommy supposedly be leaving 11, but he just left because he's been busy doing my phone. My phone is not fixed. Anyway guys, I will see you later guys. I'm just gonna do this thing. Oh, anyway, my phone is not here because Tommy decided to bring it to work, and let's see if he can do something in there. And yeah, I don't know. I'm not really, I'm losing hope. I think the phone is not really going to work, and then until Apple decide what they're going to do. Hopefully they can fix it and we have they charge us for a few dollars, because we can't afford anymore. iPhone is freaking expensive guys. I hope I have insurance. I think I told Tommy not to get insurance for my phone because I'm really careful with my stuff, It's snowing.
Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way.
Really high.
Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is
He is
to
so
ride
happy.
in a one-horse
He's so happy.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. What fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. What fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Oh, go away, jingle. What go away, jingle. Oh, go away, jingle.
wipe you. You need to wipe you. Because Misty is alright. Misty have a lot of snow. Good morning, guys. Look who's up here. Look who's up here. I just got up. Oh my god. It's 8 o'clock. I got up really late. Tommy's in the shower. Yeah, I got up really late. This is my phone for now, guys. This one right here.
Good as it if you can't.
No, a phone as a Facebook. It's not really a phone like texting, calling now. It's just like they have the internet. But if you go out, that means you don't have any. It's not connected to anything.
It's supposed to snow until 11 o'clock this morning.
Oh, this morning. Okay. And yeah, so yesterday's vlog is not long, so I'm just gonna put clip.
Stop that camera.
No. Oh my god, Roxy, you. Look at this, so cute, Rox.
What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. The bird machine. Check.
Guys, and I really thought this morning, guys, I have to wait for Tommy. I really thought this morning, guys, when I get up, I really thought Tommy got this for me. I really thought it's for me, but I kinda heartbroken. Look at his face. I thought he get something for me, but no. One of his girlfriend give this to him. No, his friend at work. It's kinda nice. It's kinda nice, honey. This is all like biscuit.
Yeah, he always goes to these specialty stores.
This is really kind of mixed. It's different kind of flavor in here.
Yeah,
I can
they're
see.
They're all handmade.
Also, this is dirty then.
It's not like manufactured. No, these are like
Homemade, like homemade.
Look at the sticker on the bag. You can tell.
Yeah, I can tell. It's like a homemade granny kind of cooking, which is good. But look what happened to him this morning, guys. He never shave every winter, okay? I'm so happy that he messed up. Because
he's in a rush.
He's shaving. And then what you did?
I'm in a rush. I was just trying to trim it down, but
You trim it wrong?
I slipped. I trimmed too far and I stopped. I could have tried to trim all of it too far, but I said no, just screw it. It's easier, quicker to just get rid of it.
He get rid of it, and I'm kind of happy, but kind of sad at the same time. He went outside this weather, because I know he let it grow for a reason, guys, because he doesn't want his cute little face get cold. Look who's watching. Look who's watching.
Imagine that.
Hi, Dimps. Dimple alert. Time check, it's already 1:30. Tammy left long time ago. Well, I'm planning to go outside even though I don't have a boots. I don't have a boots to wear for snow. That means I'm going to shovel outside, because that's what I do every winter anyway. If Tammy's not here, I'm doing it. And then I don't have a coat. And let's see, I don't have gloves. Let's see. So let's see what's gonna happen. I'm going to find gloves. I don't care if it's big. Just gonna go to shovel a little bit, not the whole driveway, because as you see, this driveway we have here, it's big. How much more in our house? My house is longer, you know, longer and big driveway. Here it's big also. So in the front and the walkway, because we need to do the walkway, because you know, when people walking, if they hurt themselves, they can sue you. So you have to take care of your area, you have to take care of your property, because if somebody hurt themselves in your walkway, in front of your house, they will sue you because you don't take care of your walkway. So child's hair. Everything is need to be sewed if they hurt themselves because they're too clumsy. But that's what it is, guys. Welcome to America.
3:30, guys. Give everybody a break.
Time check, it's already 7:47 in the evening. Yeah. I vlog late, and I went back vlogging late because I was watching Dan Simber and cooking soup, and what else? And then I just get out from the shower. I blow dry my hair. Tomorrow morning, Tommy and I were going to the city. I go with him, and I will spend time with my friend the whole day and night until Tommy will pick me up again to go home here. And you guys, if I don't do a shout out lately, my phone is gone. Every shout out that people requested, it's in the screenshot, it's in the phone, but my phone, I can't open anything. It died on me. So yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you upstairs.
No one compares, you stand alone to every record I own. Music to my